Welcome to Sourish Tech Savvy. You can change an object's height and width by using height and width attribute in CSS. Such as, I have a picture here. As you can see, it's using its normal width and height that is being used for that image. We can change its height and width to look like what we want it to look like in CSS by either adding a height or width attribute or both of them. It will change the size of the image. As you can see here, I have mentioned a width attribute. Now it looks small, but as you can see, I didn't add the height attribute. When you add either the height or the width attribute, the other attribute which has been not added will automatically get a value. As an assignment, I would want you to make a website with a lot of images and make their size same to each other. It should look something like this. Thanks for watching.